Thank you for choosing Precision Analysis for your water testing needs. Sample your water in 5 easy steps with Precision Analysis water test kits, and within 5 business days or less, you will receive a report that doesn't require a chemistry degree to understand. This kit contains all of the items needed for sampling your water. For accurate results, please carefully follow the instructions. Precision Analysis will not be responsible for inaccurate results due to improper sampling, so please read and follow the instructions. Please note, the bacteria sample you will collect must be returned to the laboratory within 30 hours from the time you collect the sample. Please do not sample on Friday or weekends, as your sample will expire before it reaches the lab. To avoid sample expiration, it is best to collect your sample and take the sample kit directly to UPS for shipping. If you have chosen to test for lead, you will need to let your water sit in the pipes for a minimum of 6 hours before taking your sample. Step 1. Choose a location to sample your water. If you don't have any water treatment devices, such as a water softener or a reverse osmosis filter, take the sample from a cold water tap where you get your drinking water. If possible, choose a non-leaking, non-swivel, non-mixing faucet. If you do have treatment devices on your water system, you need to decide what you want to test. Do you want to know about your source water quality or the water you are actually drinking? A water softener will replace some of the calcium and magnesium in your water with sodium and/or potassium. A filtration system will remove some of the contaminants from your water. If you want to sample what you are using, simply get the sample from the tap you get drinking water from. If you want to sample your source water, locate a faucet which is attached to the water line before the treatment system. Step 2. Site preparation. Remove any aerator, strainers, or hose attachments. Remove all supplies and paperwork from the test kit. Place the cold pack in your freezer. The cold pack should be placed in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours before sealing and shipping the test kit. Wash your hands with soap and dry your hands just before taking the water samples. This will help avoid contamination. Step 3. Optional lead testing. Follow these instructions only if you have decided to test for lead in your water. If you are not testing for lead, please ignore this step. The best time to take the water sample is the first thing in the morning after the water in the pipes has been allowed to sit. Please make sure to take the sample before the people in your household start using the water. Allow the water to sit in the pipes for a minimum of 6 hours. Place the 8-ounce square bottle under the tap and fill to the neck. Step 4. Bacteria and minerals sample preparation. Turn on the faucet and allow a steady stream of cold water to flow for at least 5 minutes before sampling. After allowing to flow for about 5 minutes, turn down the flow of the water to a gentle stream about the width of a pencil. Next, fill the 100 milliliter sterile container, which is the short bottle with the red tab. Please note, white powder inside the container should be left in the bottle and will not contaminate the sample. This is a sterile container and attention to detail is very important. Remove the protective seal by pulling on the red tab. Unscrew and remove the cap. Do not set the cap down or touch the inside of the container, the threads on the container, or the faucet, as this may cause contamination. Contamination may create inaccurate results. Fill container to just above the 100 milliliter mark on the bottle, then replace the cap and twist until tight. For filling this 16-ounce plastic container, unscrew and remove the cap. Fill the plastic container to the neck of the bottle, then replace the cap and twist until tight. Step 5. Returning the samples to the lab. Remove the cold pack from your freezer and flatten it against the wall of the bucket. Place the bottles back into the sample kit bucket. Place the lid on the sample kit bucket. Make sure the lid is fully sealed. Included in your sample kit is a postcard-sized document requesting information about your samples. Please provide the requested information and sign in the provided space. Place the sample kit, postcard, and instructions back into the cardboard box and close the box lid. Make sure to leave out the custody seal and shipping label. Remove the backing from the custody seal tape and place it over the lid of the box. Remove the backing from the shipping label and place the shipping label on the box. Congratulations! You are now ready to ship. Please deliver this box to UPS as soon as possible. With your water tested, you can have peace of mind knowing the quality of your water. Precision Analysis. We test water because it's our water too. Call toll-free 866-985-0866.